Hi everyone, welcome back to M's Technology. Today I'm going to show you this useless Craftsman leaf blower. One day it just stopped working in my dad's landscaping service, and I cleaned the carburetor, I cleaned the fuel lines, I cleaned the spark plug, I replaced the spark plug, I tried to spin the engine over, I even cleaned the throttle cable, and that thing still won't start. I even specifically put gas in the carburetor's throat just now, and it still won't start. So what's your opinion on Craftsman, and how do I fix this? Hope you guys like, subscribe, and enjoy, and bye.